The internet provides a capability so powerful and general that it can be used for almost any purpose that depends on information, and it is accessible by every individual who connects to one of its constituent networks. It supports human communication via social media, electronic media, chat rooms, newsrooms, and audio and visual transmission, and allows people to work collaborative, collaborative, collaboratively, collaboratively at many different locations. It supports access to digital information by many applications, including the World Wide Web (WWW). The internet has proved to be a spawning ground for a large and growing number of e-businesses, including subsidiaries of traditional brick and mortar companies that carry out most of their sales and services over the internet. Original and development. The first computer networks were dedicated special purpose systems such as subway and airline reservation system, and Autodine I, a defense command and control system. Both designed and implemented in the late 1950s and early 1960s. By the early 1960s, computer manufacturers had begun to use semiconductor technology in commercial products, and both conventional batch processing and time sharing systems were in place in many large, technologically advanced companies. Time sharing systems allowed a computer's resources to be shared in rapid succession with multiple users, cycling through the queue of users so quickly that the computer appeared dedicated to each user's tasks despite the existence of many others accessing the system simultaneously. This led to the notion of sharing computer resources called host computers, or simply hosts, over an entire network. Host to host interactions were envisioned, along with access to specialized resources such as supercomputers and mass storage systems, and interactive access by remote users to the computational powers of time sharing systems located elsewhere. These ideas were first realized in ARPANET, which established the first host-to-host network connection on October 29, 1969. It was created by the Advanced Research Projects Agency of the US Department of Defense. ARPANET was one of the first general-purpose computer networks. It connected time-sharing computers at government-supported research sites, principally universities in the United States, and it soon became a critical piece of infrastructure for the computer science research community in the United States. Tools and applications such as the Simple Mail Transfer Protocol (SMTP), commonly referred to as email for sending short messages, and the File Transfer Protocol (FTP) for longer transmissions, quickly emerged in order to achieve cost-effective interactive communications between computers, which typically communicate in short bursts of data. ARPANET implied the new technology of packet switching. Packet switching takes large messages or chunks of computer data and breaks them into smaller, manageable pieces known as packets that can travel independently over any available circuit to the target destination, where the pieces are reassembled. Thus, unlike traditional voice communications, packet switching does not require a single dedicated circuit between each pair of users. Commercial packet networks were introduced in the 1970s, but they were designated principally to provide efficient access to remote computers by dedicated terminals. Thank you.